Danke bafethu, sekuconfirmiwe ukuthi 100% uRhulani Mokwena seyishiyile i-team yakhe laphana eCasablanca yaseMorocco yabo. I-team-ke laphana ikhipha i-statement ibonga uRhulani Mokwena nge-contribution yakhe to the team nanokuthi-ke ubaletheleni but-ke ama-results abakazange bawathole noma ahambe kahle cause uRhulani Mokwena bamlethela ukuthi abuyele back to i-CAF Champions League, akakwazanga ukubuyela ku-CAF Champions League but inkinga beyimshaya bebawa-create ama-chance but bebawangawa-convert because ba-create ama-chances amaningi kakhulu yabo. So uRhulani Mokwena uhambile-ke but bekalwa ne-team because akaresign-anga noma i-team umnika i-leave, bebasazama ukuthola iplan ukuthi uRhulani Mokwena le contract lakhe lesele bazomnika kanjani imali yakhona because bokuwama-millions cause bekuthiwa boma 18 million rands imali uRhulani Mokwena bengayithola yama-bonus and stuff if uqualifyile for ufinishe ku-number 2 laphana e-league no-qualify for i-Champions League, wawina nale Throne Cup le yakhona. But-ke uRhulani Mokwena vele akasenamsebenzi-ke manje. Into beyenza ukuthi uRhulani Mokwena angayishiyi i-team avele ayeke ukuthi imsuspende, bekafuna ukuthi i-team vele imxoshe then azokwazi ukuthola imali yakhe yonke lesele la kuleya contract leya which is ama-millions yabo. But-ke bobawuthi uRhulani Mokwena sethishaya ama-goodbyes wakhe for i-team, ne-team-ke seyimdedelile, sephelile ubudlelwane between the two parties. But uRhulani Mokwena kama-rumors amakhulu ukuthi ufunwa i-Orlando Pirates namanye ama-teams vele. I-Kaizer Chiefs nayo bekuthiwa ayinayo ucoach noma ucoach nabo ama-rumors kuthiwa ngathi uzohamba ku-Kaizer Chiefs because akayi-understand. Ziningi izinto beziriphothiwa but let's just wait and see ukuthi uRhulani Mokwena uzoyaphi njengoba-ke seyimdedelile i-team yakhe official. But kuke kwaphuma ama-reports ukuthi uRhulani Mokwena wakhetha le team le yaseMorocco because bekathanda i-history yakhona nanokuthi-ke ujwayele ukudlala nayo ku-CAF ngesikhathi akuMamelodi Sundowns bake badlala nayo few times futhi bayishaya yabo. So bayazi ukuthi i-history yakhona i-rich nanokuthi ama-fans wakhona are-ambitious kakhulu. So uRhulani Mokwena ukuthi coach leya team leya, it was a dream come true cause iyi-super power e-Africa nanokuthi-ke le team leya ku-Club World Cup uRhulani Mokwena was hoping ukuthi uzoya ku-Club World Cup because it was highly publicized ukuthi uRhulani Mokwena uyoface i-idol lakhe uPepe laphana ku-Club World Cup. Unfortunately-ke leyo nto azange yenzeke ngoba uRhulani Mokwena uhambe before i-contract yakhe iphela.